I always talk about how you can achieve some great shots or even cinematic shots with minimal gear. In this video, I'm going to challenge myself to create 3 different creative shots using a cheap piece of lighting. Found it. This, of course, is our $20 sun lamp from Kmart. Remember when these were so trendy? But now they might just be collecting dust in the room. Okay, let's get this challenge started. By the way, I'm shooting all this on an iPhone. How do I make this background so much cooler? The easy answer is to aim this sun lamp directly at the wall. With that being the only light and me standing in front of it, it creates this awesome silhouette. And the shadows are a pretty cool way to get away with cool effects like this, since we don't need to really worry about the details. Cool, right? The second shot I want to try out is the overhead shot. Because of the shape of the lens, the sun lamp projects its light at a very narrow angle. This leads me to believe that it will create some beautiful downlighting. First thing, let's mount this bad boy onto a light stand. Ooh, looks a bit sketchy, but it'll work. Alright, let's go into a dark room and nice. Now, let's add a little bit of color. The awesome part about this is that I can change the color to whatever I want. And as you know, color really dictates mood. Cool, right? The third and final shot that I'm thinking of is the secret treasure angle. You know the one where you find that treasure and when you open it, it's that gold or diamonds glistening out of the box. I mean, it's a pretty easy effect. All you really need is to place the light in the box and you get treasure. Cool, right?